Rohan loved to go shopping with his mother. So one day, his mother was going to a shop and Rohan decided to accompany her to help her. Now, while Rohan's mother was putting money in her purse, Rohan saw her put these currency notes in her purse. Now he was very surprised. These are Indian currency notes. So he was surprised to see this number written on the currency note. This number is 2000. Now Rohan knows numbers till 999. So he knows all the 3-digit numbers, all the 2-digit numbers, and all the 1-digit numbers. But this is a 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-digit number. So this is a 4-digit number. And Rohan never knew that such numbers even exist. He thought that 999 was the biggest number or the largest number which exists. What about this number? 2000? What kind of a number is this? He was very curious. But since they were in a hurry, they sat in the car. So while they were going to the market, Rohan once again saw a strange number in the odometer of the car. Now, what is an odometer? Odometer of a car tells us the distance traveled by the car. So Rohan saw this number 4569 as the distance traveled by their car. So he was once again confused and curious as well. What exactly is this number? On their way to the market, there was some construction work going on, and there were these workers laying the electrical lines. Now, over there, Rohan saw a board which had this number. This number is 5000. So, once again, there was a 4-digit number. So, what is happening with Rohan today? He's seeing all new numbers, all 4-digit numbers, which are all very unknown and very new to him. And after they finished shopping, Rohan saw this amount as the bill amount which his mother had to pay. This is 7850. So his mother is just done with their monthly shopping, and this is the amount which the shopkeeper asks her to pay. This is 7850. Once again, a 4-digit number. So now Rohan wants to know more about these numbers. What are these numbers? Do numbers really exist after 999? If yes, then what are those numbers? So let us see. So we have learnt numbers till 999. 9 ones, 9 tens, and 9 hundreds. What comes after this? We know that 9 is the double number, and over here there are 3 nines. So 3 times the trouble. So what happens when we have 9 in the ones digit? For this 9 to give way for the next number or change to the next number, which is 0, the other number, that is the number to the left, should increase by 1. So the number in the left is 99. So 99 will increase by 1 and it will become 100. So this should be the next number. 9 becomes 0 and 99 becomes 100. But we know that 2 digits, over here we see that 1 and 0, both the digits are in the hundreds room. But 2 digits cannot be there in one room. So 1 will come here and make a new room for itself. And what is this room called? This room is called the thousands room. So this new room is called the thousands room. It is to the left of hundreds room. This is a new room, and this, it is a 4-digit number. In fact, it is the smallest 4-digit number. And what is the number name of this number? It is called 1000, because there is 1 in the thousands digit, so it is 1000. All the other digits are 0, so it is called 1000. Now we know that we use O for the ones digit, T for the tens digit, H to represent the hundreds digit, and similarly we use TH to represent the thousands digit. So we need to write 1, 0, 0, 0 like this. This is 1000. Now what comes after 1000? Recall what comes after 100. So when we were learning counting from 100, we saw that the number in the ones digit keeps on increasing by 1 and the other digits remain the same. So the numbers in the ones digit increase by 1 and the digits to the left remain the same. Same is the case with thousands. So what will come after 1000? Well, the numbers will keep on increasing by 1. So 0 becomes 1, 1 changes to 2, 2 changes to 3 and so on. Whereas the other numbers, that is the digits to the left, they all remain the same. So I have 1001, 1002 till 1009. And what will happen after 1009? Well, when we have 9, 1009. So this 9 will change to 0 and 100 will change to 101. So this 100 will become 101. So the new number is 1010. This is the new number. And after that, once again, it will be 1011, 1012, and so on. So we proceed in a similar manner. So proceeding in a similar manner, suppose we come to 1099. Now what will be the next number? So we have a 9 here. For this 9 to change to 0, 109 will change to the next number. What is the number after 109? 110, 110. So the new number or the number after 1099 is 1100. This is the next number. What comes after 1199? Once again, 9 becomes 0, and after 119, I have 120. So 1200 is the next number after 1199. Let's see some more 4-digit numbers. So 1999. After 9, we have 0 and 199. This is a known number. After 199, we get 200. So now can you recall this number? 2000. This was the number which Rohan saw on the currency note which his mother took. So 2000. So now you understand what this number is. Now what comes after 4568? 8 becomes the next number 9 and the remaining digits remain the same. So this is 4569 and this is the number which he saw in the odometer of his car, 4569. So let us see this number. Once again, 9 in the ones digit, means the next number will have 0 in the ones digit, and 499. What is the next number after 499? 500. So 5000 is the new 4-digit number which we have learned. It comes after 4999. And this is the number which Rohan saw on the road. And 5599. So after 9, there is a 0. 559 becomes 560. So this is yet another 4-digit number. 7849. So 9 becomes 0. 784 becomes 785. And this is the number which Rohan's mother paid as the shopping bill. And 9998. So after 8, we have 9, and the other numbers remain the same. So 9999. This is another 4-digit number. So 9999 is a 4-digit number. So you have learned what are 4-digit numbers. 1000, that is 1000, is the smallest and the first 4-digit number. And we have this number as another 4-digit number. What comes after this? Well, we'll learn later. Till then, you need to practice writing all the 4-digit numbers. There are so many of them, and you'll really enjoy learning those new numbers. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.